Welcome to Ikonic IKEA Manuals. Before we start our Billy build, make sure you've got a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head, a pencil, a hammer, and a ruler ready. Oh, and a friend to help wouldn't hurt. IKEA is big on safety. Remember to assemble on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Work with a partner, and never hesitate to call for help if you're stuck. Let's count our bits and bobs. You should have 12 cam lock screws, 16 wooden dowels, and 18 pins for the back panel. Lay them all out so they're easy to find. Grab those 4 horizontal planks. We're starting by popping 2 wooden dowels into the outer holes on each end. That's 16 dowels total across all boards. Make sure those dowels are pushed in nice and snug. They're going to help align everything perfectly when we join the panels later. Now, take your 2 long side panels. We need to screw in those 12 cam lock screws. That's 6 for each side panel, right into the pre-drilled holes. Don't over-tighten, just snug is fine. These screws are what the cam locks will eventually grab onto to hold your bookshelf together. Time to join things up. Line up the wooden dowels on your first 2 shelves with the holes on one of the side panels. Watch out for the orientation. The dowels go in the smaller holes. Ensure there's no gap between the shelves and the side panel. A gentle nudge or a firm push should do it to get them flush. Drop those cam locks into the large holes on the shelves. Make sure the little arrow on the lock is pointing toward the outer edge of the panel. Use your screwdriver to turn the cam locks clockwise until they lock onto the screw. You'll feel a clear point of resistance when they're tight. Bring in the next 2 middle shelves. Same process here. Align the wooden dowels and press them firmly into the side panel. Quick tip. Make sure the side of the shelf with the extra pre-drilled holes is facing the same way as the others. This is essential for your back panel later. Drop in 2 more cam locks and give them that satisfying turn to lock these middle support pieces in place. Now for the second side panel. Carefully lower it onto the upright assembly, lining up all those dowels and cam screws at once. It's like a big puzzle. We've got 6 cam locks left for this side. Pop them into the holes on the shelves where they meet this new side panel. Tighten all 6 locks. Your Billy frame should now be solid. It can stand on its own, but we still have the back panel and safety brackets to go. Find a large flat space on the floor and unfold that back panel. It might be a bit stiff at the folds, so just give it a gentle flatten. Slide the back panel into the grooves running down the side panels. It should glide all the way down until it hits the bottom shelf. Make sure the back panel is sitting completely flush against the back of the frame. This ensures your bookcase stays perfectly square. Grab those 18 plastic clips and nails. We're going to space them out evenly around the entire perimeter of the back panel. Start at the corners to keep things aligned, then fill in the gaps along the top, bottom, and especially where the fixed shelves are. Gently hammer the nails through the clips and into the wooden frame. Aim straight so you don't accidentally split any of the side panels. This is the most important part, the wall brackets. Every Billy needs to be secured to the wall to prevent accidental tipping. Place the first L bracket on top of the left side panel. Use the washer and screw provided by IKEA to attach it loosely. Repeat the process on the right side. Having 2 points of wall contact makes your library setup twice as safe. Once your bookcase is in position, tighten these screws. Remember, you'll need to use wall screws that are appropriate for your specific wall type. We're in the home stretch. Take your 16 shelf supports and decide exactly where you want your adjustable shelves to sit. Push the pegs into the pre-drilled holes on the inside of the side panels. Make sure all 4 pegs for a single shelf are at the same level. Continue until you have all 4 sets of shelf supports ready to go. You can always move these later if your book collection grows. Slide each of the 4 adjustable shelves into the frame at a slight angle. Then level them out so they rest securely on the pegs. And that's a wrap. Your IKEA Billy bookcase is officially assembled and ready for books. Great job! Check back with Ikonic IKEA Manuals for your next project.